Hey lovely, so in today's tutorial I'll be recreating this Ayra Starr makeup trend that's been going on TikTok. So first of all, I started off by cleansing my face with my micellar water, simple micellar water. Then afterwards I went in with my fan to dry it up. Then I went in with my moisturizer. I'm using Cetaphil moisturizer. You can use any one of your choice, but what I used here is just Cetaphil moisturizer, right? There is no like special amounts of moisturizer you should apply on your face. Just go with enough products. Apply it generously. You can never go wrong with moisturizer. Yes. So afterwards, dry up before you put on the next product. So because I have like dried skin, I'll just be using only hydrating primer here. But if you have like oily combination skin, okay, you have to do like second process after applying the hydrating primer. Also apply the mattifying one to control oil. Okay, yes. So after applying your primer, if you have like under eyes, dark under eyes, color correct before you apply your foundation. So what I used here was Avoir foundation, the shade 20 if I'm not mistaken. Yes. So I'm using my flat brush to just apply it on my face. Then use a dense brush to blend it into the skin, like blend it properly. You see this Avoir foundation, I love it. The outcome is always very good. Next, I went in with my color setting spray. I love this setting spray and I fully recommend it. So now for my contour, I'll be using this Avoir in the shade 35. It's dark, so I'll be using it to contour. So take note whenever you are blending out your contour, guys, blend it upwards. Don't blend it down because you don't want to bring your face down. So blend it upwards, and also on your forehead, blend it properly. If you've been following me, you will know that I have a lip palette I always use for my blush. That's why I always tell beginners that you don't have to buy all the products. You can use your lip palette for your blush and it will work. It's not about buying products and buying products. Blend properly, and after that, the remaining parts I'll just use it on the tip of my nose. Next, I go in with my Elegant Pro Concealer to conceal my under eye, my nose, my forehead, and the rest of them. So this Elegant Pro Concealer, if you're a beginner, I will also recommend it. That you should use it. It's good. It comes out very nice, right? So yeah, it's affordable. Try it. I wanted my under eyes to be more brighter, so I went in with another shade of Elegant Pro Concealer. To set my under eyes and the highlighted areas, I'll be using this Hacha Butter setting powder. So for that flawless under eyes, you have to press in the powder. That is what is called setting, pressing the powder on your face. Press it into the skin until it looks flawless. Okay? To avoid your smile lines from breaking or creasing, just pout your mouth this way and use your setting powder to set those areas. You will see it won't crease, right? Next, I'll be applying the exact shade or closer to my shade powder on my entire face. Okay, and when that is done, next thing I will do is also take my powder contour and apply on my forehead and the place I contoured on my face. So next is going in with my powder blush. So for every cream process you did, also do the powder process. That's the technique here. For my baking, I'm using a white powder. Guys, you can use any powder of your choice, but I used white powder here. For my nose contour, guys, I'm using a fluffy brush to apply it. Just powder. I did not do the cream part. Just using only powder to contour my nose, right? For my brows, I first of all used a spoolie to brush it out, then use a gel to flatten my brows. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Then I'll go in to set it, like to control the oil there. Then I'll go in with my pencil to draw my eyebrows. This eyebrow, okay, I'll just try and do an updated eyebrow tutorial. Expect it anytime soon. I'll do that. Okay, I don't always conceal my brows. I always do the down part. So, but for these brows, we are doing that of Ayra Starr eyebrows. So I had to like cut out. I don't know. This is not my brow shape, but I had to do it because of what I'm going for. After concealing the eyebrows, I went in with my brush to blend out my concealer. Okay, because you don't want to see harsh lines, you have to blend it properly. Take your time, don't rush. The next thing to do is to set the concealer with a powder so that it won't crease, because if you don't set it to crease, so you have to do that to avoid your brows from creasing, right? So because of the type of look we are trying to recreate, she didn't apply any eyeshadow, she just did a neutral color. So that's what I equally did on this video, right? I just used like a little darker shade to create this neutral brown. Next is my eyeliner. Eyeliner can be very tricky, so you have to take your time when applying it so you don't mess up things. Next step is mascara. I don't even know the name of this mascara, but it's very fine. It's very okay. I recommend it. If I get the name, I'll put it up so you guys can buy if you want to. For this glow on the bridge of my nose and also on the tip of my nose, I used my highlighter for this process. I actually decided to use my finger to place it in order not to make things up. I don't know what I'm wrapping. Okay, so that was why I used my hand. If you want to use a brush, you can still do that. For this look I am recreating, she used a black eye pencil, sorry, for her lip. So that is equally what I'll be using for my own lip, because I'm not actually trying to achieve what she did, right? After lining my lips with my pencil, the next thing I did was just gloss my lips, and that is all for the lips. The next is to use my brush, to dust off excess powder on my face and set my entire face. And this makeup is looking pretty. I ate this look. Please comment down below. I ate this look. Then next I just set my face with my setting spray, and that is all for that. See me now. I will start the second. Please don't forget to follow, like, subscribe, and share. Bye.